athenahealth's new Insights dashboards let you view your practice's performance and can also offer strategies you can use to drive more revenue. For this short demo, let's look at data from a pediatric practice. First, we see the practice's collections and charges. These numbers tell us collections and charges are down from the previous month and year. The trend graph lets us view collections and charges to the trailing 12 months, the TTM. The purple line shows that this practice saw a dip in collections in several months of 2020 when comparing to the orange line of collections in 2019. We can view revenue drivers in more detail and see that total visits are down compared to the trailing 12 months. We can learn more about patient volume by selecting See More Patients under Ways to Drive More Revenue at the left. The boxes at the top show us that total visits are down compared to the previous month and to 1 year ago. On the visits trend graph, the purple line indicates the data from the current year, while the orange line shows data from the previous year. Patient volume at this pediatric practice dropped dramatically at the start of the coronavirus pandemic, improved somewhat over the summer, and peaked during flu shot season in October. In September, visits surpassed 2019 due to targeted outreach to drive more well visits. The graph shows that this practice has seen fewer sick patients this winter. But since sick patient visits bring in less revenue than well patient visits, this practice may be able to offset the decreased sick visit revenue by continuing to focus on bringing in patients for well visit appointments. The left of the See More Patients view includes tactics to help drive more visits. Another revenue-driving strategy is perform higher value services. Let's see how this practice is doing in this area. The boxes at the top indicate that total RVUs are down almost 23% from last year. When we look at total RVUs per visit, the purple line shows that 2020's performance dipped below the orange line of 2019. However, you can see that the average complexity for January and February 2021 has seen an uptick over January and February 2020. The left of the service complexity view includes tactics to help increase those RVUs. Use the service mix by charges posted view to see procedure codes. You can see the percentage of total charges that any given procedure code represents, and if there's been a shift in the types of procedures you're performing. For instance, when toggling to a TTM view, we see this practice has had a 9% uptick in office visits with modifier 95, reflective of visit coding changes during the COVID-19 pandemic. The Insights dashboards provides you with an instant readout of your practice's financial performance, updated daily, along with strategies to drive more revenue.